One shot. Hey, dead men don't talk, man.
I'm hit. What team?
Dan.
We'll come to the base. We got coffee. Got snacks.
If you're friendly, get down, because I'm going to shoot. Movement.
They're all friendly. I already killed him. Hey, behind.
6 o'clock.
It's really confusing to see.
Daniel, that's mine. That's my guy. Is that you, Daniel? Firing?
Yeah, it's hands in there.
Okay. You are at our 9, so shoot 2 times.
You guys
Over there, that's not his.
This guy, he's...
Go.
Hey, he's friendly.
Hey, friendly fire! Check your fire!
Do you want to move in there and get him out?
Announcing that.
You want to move in there and get him out?
We keep calling on the radio at our 9, nobody's responding.
They might not have radios.
Hi guys. Hey, I think that's our guys off to that direction over there.
Yeah, it is.
Are you in the woods, Daniel? I don't know where you are.
Hey, they're coming this way too. Ants.
What happened back there?
Buddy of his.
We got some guys in there, I think.
What, did I hit him?
Yes, you did.
Nash, you ready to go? You guys ready? Go! Hit!
We got so far.
Crossing.